Spilla Cucina. I know I have a roasted carrot recipe on my YouTube station, but this one is even more simpler. It is 3 ingredients: carrots, olive oil, powdered garlic. Well, I guess if you want to include salt, it would be 4, but very simple. As you can see, I peeled the carrots. I've cut them up. I love the ones that have the tri-colored ones. It just makes such a pretty presentation. I don't know how much olive oil I use. I just go ahead and make sure that they're all covered up in the olive oil. I put parchment down. It makes the pan easier to clean. I'm going to sprinkle generously with my garlic powder. Mix them around a little bit. And while I've been doing all this, I have my oven heated to 425, and these are going to go right into the oven. Might take 15 minutes, 20, 25 minutes. It depends on how thick your carrots are, but that's easy to check out. So, how about a little salt? All right, these will go in the oven. Been about 30 minutes. The last time I did this, it was 20. I guess it depends on how fresh or how hard your carrots are, but this is how it turned out. And you know it's done when you can stick the fork in it and it's nice and tender, but wait till you try these. They're just delicious.